I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste.
Alright guys, I just finished my quick 15 minutes full body workout because I do not have too much time now, but I did it. But this jacket helps me so much with the workout when I'm working out, even if I'm going for running or if I'm doing it at home. So you just put on this jacket, and this is the material inside. It's like, it makes you sweat like crazy, and which is great actually. So you can either put this on and go for a run, or work out in the gym, or at home, whatever kind of exercise you do, you can always put this on. And I love it. It's so comfortable, it's soft, it's comfortable, and you can get it from Amazon. The link will be in the description box below, so you guys can check it out. This is how it is. As you can see, the back, the front, and I love it. So use the link below in the description box and check it out. It's 4:30 right now, and I just took like a 30-minute nap because I'm seeing you guys for so long. I was feeling so sick for some reason. Like I have zero energy in my body right now. So I made some coffee. So I made some coffee here. Nice warm coffee. This is maple salted coffee. Yeah, baby. Where's your trucks? Aiden also woke up and he came downstairs. And then I have, oh careful, and I have this boiled dal from yesterday that I'm gonna do for dinner today. I'm gonna make okra dal and a little bit of rice. So that's what I'm gonna do, because I want something simple, but I just don't know. Mosquito bit you? Yeah. It's a baby one. Yeah, so honestly all I want to do right now is drink some. Honestly, all I want to do right now is drink some coffee, and then you know get that fall feeling. So let me show you. What happened, baby? Go play, I'm coming. So basically you guys know that we are moving, and then everything is such a mess in the house. Like there's no dining table. What do you want?
Okay, here.
Oh, go get it from the front door. Go wait over there and I'll come help you. Go, please. Everything's like a mess. There's no dining table. There's no living room couch. We have our patio room in our patio couch in our living room. So boxes everywhere. So it's like, you know, you don't have a cozy home right now. Like I don't have a cozy home right now, and it's fall and winters. When fall and winters come, you definitely want a cozy home. So one thing that is making me feel cozy these days is that these All Life fall scented candles. These are from Amazon, and let me show you. Their smell is so good. This is pumpkin cake, and this is red apple and pumpkin. This one is ginger and pumpkin, and this is salted pumpkin syrup. Yeah, baby.
For marble.
And these are like 100% soy wax, and then smells so good. You wanna smell it? Good. Do you like? This is a pumpkin cake, and it honestly smells so good. So what I do is I literally just put it in my room, because in the evening I switch it on and I light it up in my room in the evening, and then at least feels so good. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It's yummylicious. I want to say it's yummy because I feel like eating it. And it says that infused with red apple, cinnamon, pumpkin, and cloves. Wow.
Don't eat it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna eat it, baby. I said that I feel like eating it, so he's like, don't eat it. Yeah, but this is like so smells.
Don't eat it.
Smell good. Can you smell this? It's ginger and pumpkin.
Don't eat it.
No. But anyways, the link for these candles will be in the description box below, so you guys can check it out.
It's heavy.
What is heavy? Let's go. Okay, go. I'm coming.
No.
Yeah, you guys can use the link to check out, to get these candles. Trust me, they smell amazing. I'm not even kidding.
Hey guys, the time is 7 p.m. and we just took Aiden outside to do a little bit of Halloween decoration. He wanted to keep a pumpkin outside because now when we go on a walk, he sees it on other people's houses. And then we took a few witches and spider and we just put it out there. Nothing too much we are doing because as you can see we are packing. So I'll show you guys once I put a couple of more inflatables out there because that's the easy thing to do. So I'll probably just do that for him. And we are gonna be serving dinner now. So we have rice. We quickly made rice. And we have okra, which is bhindi, and some dal. So dinner is pretty simple but soul soothing dinner for Indians. Varan bhat, dal chawal, whatever you want to call it, whichever part of India you are watching this video, and with bhindi, okra. Again, I don't know if there are other names to this in other parts of the region, but we really love this. And today Tanya requested the dal to be super simple, so it only has tempering of cumin seeds, that's it, and nothing else. Or normally I would add like onion and tomatoes and things like that, but it's very simple dinner today. So we are gonna go eat our dinner.
Aiden's plate is ready. We have okra, a little bit of yogurt, and dal and rice. And he's ready to eat his meal. And come on, high chair please. Alrighty guys, it is the next day. I'm gonna continue the vlog. So if you guys remember, we were gonna go for Marvel's photo shoot on his birthday, but it got cancelled. So it's happening today. We are all ready, matching clothes, all are wearing black shirts, black t-shirt.
Black and blue combination.
Black and blue.
Keep things simple.
Yeah.
And Marvel is wearing.
Marvel is right there. He's wearing his tuxedo.
And brown. Brown and brown.
He just saw a school bus, so.
Huh?
So yeah, we all are heading there, and then I will shoot a little bit here and there, whatever I can. But yeah, it's gonna be exciting.
Yeah, so we are definitely gonna try to take some clips or whatever works in the phone or something. Can't promise you everything, but having said that, we are definitely gonna share the results of the shoot later, how the pictures turn out to be, because this is our first shoot with like Marvel, and it's gonna be the whole family picture. So I'm really looking forward to it, so that we can get a print and like put it in a new place.
Yeah.
So let's see. Marvel, you excited? Yeah? We're going for a shoot, a photo shoot. He's wearing his little tux, oh my god.
Alright, we are here. Hold my hand, baby. Mayang is making Marvel pee here. There he is, my little handsome man. And this is a store right here. Like, this is a studio right here. We're gonna go up the stairs.
Wait,
and then
come here, let me lock the car, baby.
And then that's it, I guess. And then I'm gonna ask her if I can shoot a little bit, and if she says yes, then I'll shoot it. Guys, so we are done with the photo shoot. It was amazing. I mean, we did Marvel, just first Marvel alone, and then Marvel and Aiden, and then all three of us. The poses were so amazing, and then we cannot wait. And it's falling, baby. We cannot wait to see the pictures come out, how the pictures came out. So we're gonna go there again on Sunday, just me and Mayank, so we can go finalize the pictures that we like, and then we'll show you guys then. But it was amazing. She was such a good artist. I mean, it was, we loved it, everything about it basically. And then Mara was being so good, Aiden was being so good, so we treated him with strawberry ice cream from Fresh Local Ice Cream here in downtown Cary. And is it yummy? Yeah, strawberry ice cream with sprinkles. And then we got what? Midnight brownie for ourselves.
Treated me with midnight brownie.
Yeah, treated Maya also with midnight brownie. So we're going back home now, And tonight for dinner, I think we're gonna do pav bhaji. Nitish and Ashley are gonna come over, but yeah, it was fun little afternoon. We enjoyed so much. Did you enjoy the photo shoot? Yeah, he did. He and Marvel, they were looking so cute. Oh my god, I cannot even imagine. Yeah.
Alright guys, so Aiden and I was putting some decorations outside. This time we are keeping it very low key. So Aiden, you wanna show?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where's your pumpkin? Okay, he put a pumpkin over there. And then where's the spider? Can you show where your spider is? There is the spider. And then where are your witch and the ghost? Come, let's show them where the witch and the ghost. So there is the witch on the tree. And here are the skeletons that he put up. And here is a little inflatable that we just put up. There is one more inflatable actually of a devil which is there. I'll probably put up over there tomorrow, but I mean that is it. This is all we are doing this year. We are not going over the board since half the things are already packed, as you guys know. And that's it. Tish and Ashley, all the kids call Nitish Tish, and we also have started calling him Tish. So Tish and Ashley are gonna be home, coming over for dinner. We're gonna have pav bhaji, and that's it for today's vlog. Don't forget to check out all the links in the description box below. And we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.
Bye. Thank you. Halloween!
Happy Halloween is what you're saying. So thank you for watching.